This is my 2019 CVO Limited, the 117 motor in gray metallic fade. The only modifications I've made to it, since I like the stock exhaust, I like the look of it with the gloss black, and on the tips you got the Harley Davidson emblem. So what I did, I replaced the stock baffle with a Fullsac 2.25 baffle. And then also, for a little bit more, I replaced the header with a Supertrapp header, which gets rid of all the emission stuff. And last but not least, the 117 stage 2 kit with a torque cam. Now you're probably asking me what the exhaust sounds like. Well, here, let me show you. Now I know the video doesn't do it justice, but the exhaust note on here I think sounds better than a Reinhardt. Been a big Reinhardt fan for years. All my bikes have had Reinhardt exhaust, and I think this sounds pretty darn good. Now, you're wanting to know about the numbers on the 117 with the Stage 2 kit. Haven't seen a whole lot of videos on YouTube about the Stage 2 kit on these CVOs. And I live in Denver, Colorado, so my numbers are a little skewed because of the lack of oxygen up here. But at High Country Harley Davidson, Fredrick, Colorado, came up with about 99 horse at 4,900 RPM. A max torque of 118 foot-pounds of torque, about 3,200 RPM. This baby really gets up and goes, and I'm glad I had the Stage 2 kit put on here, the Fullsac baffles, and the Supertrapp header. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. Again, this is a 2019 CVO Limited in the gray metallic fade with a Stage 2 kit. Thank you for watching.